All right, guys. So good afternoon, everyone. So like I said I will drop a video on how to do Adsterra arbitrage. So this is the way I was taught in the other group. So for the Adsterra arbitrage, the thing you will need is a landing page and your Adsterra account and direct link, and you run Facebook ads. So I'm pretty sure you all know how to do Facebook ads. So we don't have to touch about um, Facebook ads. So for the Adsterra arbitrage, you need a landing page. So you're making use of the blogger landing page, but you will need a custom domain. If you are using the blogger platform, you need a custom domain. But if you don't have a custom domain, I will show you the other landing page free, which is free, that you can use to create a landing page, and it is also good as well. So but if you're using blogger, you need a custom domain, because Facebook don't approve .blogspot.com for ads. So you need a custom domain. So this is the custom domain I bought just now for the purpose of this tutorial. So you need a blogger, like I said. So let's open a blogger account, though it's not a new account, it's another account. So you go to your blogger.com. If you are using blogger new, you will need to put in your name, select a URL for a blogspot, and watch tutorial on how to use blogger. If you don't know how to use it, go to YouTube and check it out. So once you get into the blogger, the first thing we're going to do is to let's link up our URL. That is the domain we bought on Namecheap. Let's link it up with our blogspot. So here is where we'll be doing that. Custom domain. Click on custom domain. So let me fetch the URL we got just now. Let's copy this and go back to this. So I paste it here. Click on save. Blogger may be hosted at domain, so please at the top level domain at domain.com or subdomain. Okay, so that's so now once you put in this on blogspot to add your custom domain, you'll be given a prompt like this. So what they just ask us to do here is to add the DNS to our domain. So you see this C, look at it, they give you two C names. So the first is www.destinationgh.com. So let's copy this out and go back to our Namecheap. So when you go to your Namecheap, under the domain you click on manage, come to advanced DNS section here. So you click on add new record. So you scroll down, you see CNAMEs. Look at it, CNAME record. So www.target, you paste what it will give you. You save changes. So once you save changes, let's add the second one. Add new CNAME record, which is CNAME record. Now let's get back to our other to go and copy it out. So the second one is this. You copy it out. Yours will be different, so take note. Yours will be different. If you are doing this, you won't be seeing the same thing, but it is just the same process. But all these names, the links you are seeing will be different. So just the same process. So let's go back to this thing. For the host, we paste it there. So for the target, we get back there to copy the other one, which is from this place. You copy it out. So once you copy it out, Ctrl C to copy that. So then you go back and paste it on the target, then you click on save changes. So once you have done this, just scroll down. Okay, so it have saved changes. So let's go back to our blogger platform to see if could not update settings. So let's check it out again. Maybe it is working now. www.romblogxs.online. So let's save it out. Let's see if it is working now. So now, good, our blogspot has been linked up with our custom URL. So let's go to the next thing we'll be doing is, okay, let's refresh this so everything on our dashboard will propagate very well. So next thing we'll be doing is to select a theme. So the theme I love using the most for this is the dynamic view. So you scroll down, you select, look for dynamic view. So you select any of these which are seen here. So let's go with this one. You click on apply. So once you apply it, let's view our blog. Let's look how it's okay. You see this error bar, that's an error. URL is not found server. So go back to your settings. Let's go and redirect. You click on redirect domain. I'm very sorry, I did not touch about that. Redirect domain, HTTP availability. You click on this, activate them. So after you've done that, you refresh and you click on view blog. So you should not have a problem now. You've seen it. So you should not have a problem. It's actually internet. So this is an internet error. I'm very sure. Let me check if it's internet or it's just. I'm sure it's internet connection. So now that our URL have linked up with this, next thing we need to do is to create a post. So let me just make a simple post here. Let me just add one single picture here. So let me create a new post. Because we just did this, so it might not quickly come up, so we just have to be patient when it come up. So we add a picture. I already have pictures that I want to make use of, so you can as well look for pictures like this. I've seen pictures like this, so make sure it is not too erotic and stuff, but let's just upload this one first. We'll upload this one first. So sorry, let me select this. So once select this, let me publish it out. Let me check it because it might not come up so fast, sometimes it might take up to hours before it will come up and the rest, but no problem. You can always keep checking until it propagates fully. So probably it does not propagate, but that's not the problem here. So after you've done this, the next thing you will need is to go to your Adsterra dashboard. First, let's copy out this URL here. So we copy it out. Let's go to our Adsterra dashboard. So when you go to Adsterra dashboard, you go to add website. So once you add the website, you paste it there. So you select one. I like going with adult social. So for the links, I'll click on direct link. So you click on, make sure nothing is selected here. So you click on direct link and you click on add. So it has been sent for approval. Got it. So we will wait till when they approve it. So let's wait, guys. So it might take like, let me say 3 minutes. So let me refresh again. In 3 to 5 minutes, your website should be approved. As long as you're using Adsterra, 3 to 5 minutes, they should approve your website. It doesn't take that long to approve your website. So it has not been. So let me refresh again. So we should. Okay, so since they've approved us, so once they approve your site like this, you click on it here to get your direct link. Servicing a direct link, you click on get code. So you copy this code. Once you copy this code, we copy this code, then we go back to our Blogger platform, which is here. So let's go back to our Blogger. So once you get to your Blogger, you open the post, you click on the image here, you click on this URL icon. So once you click on it, you delete all this URL here, and you paste in the URL you copied from your Adsterra, which is this URL that you copied from your Adsterra. You place it here, you paste it here instead. So this is the URL. You can choose any of this, but let's leave it like this, because let's just leave it like this. Let me just put this here, shall no. Since I'm running Facebook ads, I don't want to make it like that. So let's apply, let's update it. So once we update it, our domain is still propagating. I don't know, it is still propagating. romlovexx.online, it's still propagating, so I think we need to wait for it to propagate. We need to wait. So I might cut this video here and we'll continue when it is fully propagated. So let me check again. So let's just go back. So our URL have not propagated, so I think I'll need to pause this video here and we'll continue when the URL propagate fully. So remember what I did. I uploaded a picture first. I linked, okay, first I got my custom domain from Namecheap. .online, if you don't have money, go for .online, it's very cheap. I linked it up with my Blogger. I came to settings. Remember, under the custom domain, I was given my CNAMEs. I went back to my Namecheap dashboard to update my CNAME, and that's it. So after that, I came to my themes panel to select dynamic view snapshots. That's the one I use, and I think is the best for landing page if you're using Blogspot, except if you have premium landing page or premium themes to use. Well, I think this one is very good. So after I did that, I upload a single picture first. The reason I upload a single picture first, I will explain to you guys later. So yeah, I will need to stop this video. So we'll continue in the next video when our URL are propagate fully. So I'll continue the next process. Thank you guys.